Hello, my name is Semra Choban.
Hi, my name is Nadia Fayor.
Namaste, mo Anjana Kisi.
Hi, my name is James.
Hi, my name is Molly.
Xin chào mọi người, tôi tên là Thủy.
Hello, my name's Dermot.
We are community connectors at Ethnic Community Services Cooperative.
Our vision is that every Australian from a culturally and linguistically diverse background can participate fully in Australian society.
We help people with disabilities from different cultural backgrounds how to navigate and help access the government services such as NDIS.
If you have a disability and age less than 65 years old, you may be able to get help and money from the government to assist you with your daily activities and the future plans.
If you are under 7 years, we can connect you to the relevant early childhood services.
We help you complete the access request form and prepare your documents to apply NDIS.
All our services are culturally safe.
We can provide translators and interpreters if required.
We provide information sessions on understanding the NDIS, preparing for the NDIS, disability in an Australian context, disability awareness, and the rights and responsibilities of people living with a disability.